Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be teaching you how to turn cotton candy into cash. Here's how to start your own cotton candy business with just a few simple steps. Alright, so we're going to jump into the computer and I'll teach you the first steps on how to start a successful cotton candy business. So first up, we're going to go to Google. We are going to search up cotton candy machines. Industrial we'll search up. So we're going to find a good one that I think would be perfect for you guys to start your business. If you're in Canada or the US, it's going to be kind of similar. But first off, if you want to start cheaply, we're going to go to Vevor. So this is Canadian and US. The Canadian version is a little more money, but you're not paying the conversion. So first off, we searched up. We have a bunch of models that pop up. We have this one, 1,000 watt cotton candy commercial. We have this one over here for $217. When I first started out my cotton candy business, I started out with this one. It doesn't look the best, and considering it's $218, you think it must not be industrial or good enough. But we have used machines similar to this, and we have made thousands of cotton candy cones with it. So you can see here, deals after registering, $217 plus tax. They'll probably be up to $250. They do offer free shipping, and I think if you're just starting out, this is a great machine to start with. You can see it does not come with that cover, but we'll go back and I'll show you that cover. So this bubble here, this is quite a bit, $150. But if you're doing outdoor events in a tent, you're gonna need this bubble because any wind in that cotton candy is gonna get blown everywhere. So now that we have our machine, we're gonna go ahead, we'll add it into the cart, and we are gonna go to our next supply. All right, so to get all of our other equipment, we are gonna go to papacorn.ca. All right, so now we're here on the website. We're on the home page. You can see they have a lot of concession equipment stuff. Like they got popcorn oil toppings, nachos, cheese. They kind of have a bit of everything for the concession type. But we're going to go to cotton candy because that's what we're looking for. You're going to see they have cotton candy floss sugar, flossine concentrate, cones and bags, and equipment and accessories. So if you're not familiar, flossine concentrate is the super concentrated flavor and the color that you see in cotton candy. So let me find an example. So this stuff right here, this floss sugar carton, this is sugar mixed with flossine. You can see it's $9.25 for a 3.5 pound container, or you can get like a pound of flossine. This is the concentrate, so you would mix with the sugar. So this stuff you'd use right in your machine. This stuff you mix with sugar. This stuff is very concentrated. You'd probably make 500 pounds of sugar before you ever use a full concentrate. So those are $14.95 each. You're going to want to grab a couple of them. I would recommend getting one of each flavor, not one of each flavor, not two of the same flavors, because like I said, they will last you a long time. So if it was me starting out, I would either get a cherry or a blue raspberry if I can find it. Banana, blueberry. We'll start with the cherry. That's a good one. So we'll add this into our cart, and we're going to keep looking for some more supplies. So now we have our flossine, we have our machine. Now we're going to need some cones to roll it onto. So let's see if we can go here. We'll go to cones and bags. So after the machine you make it, you have to roll it. So you're going to be rolling it on some cones. So these right here, 1,000 in a case for $47. Those are like right here, those cones. So you will spin it over the machine, and that's where the cotton candy will go to. So you can either sell it as a cone like that, sell it right to the customers, or if you're going to want to, you're going to have to bag it up. So they have also cotton candy bags. So 500 bags for $34. So that's not a bad price at all. So this one is what I'd probably get, a little cheaper. 1,000 bags for $73. Add that to cart. We'll go back and we'll add some more stuff. And then if you want to seal the bags, a tape dispenser. I don't recommend getting it from this site. You can get it on Amazon for probably $20 instead of the $70. And then we also forgot to add the cones. So we'll add the cones. And right now, these four things, the flossine, the cones, and the bags. So now you're just going to need sugar, but you know where to get sugar from. You can get it from Walmart, pretty much anywhere, and it's just regular white sugar. So you mix that in, and there's instructions on the flossine on how much to mix with each in. And then you got your cones to roll out so you can give it to them live at events, or even the bags in case they want it bagged. All right, now that we have everything added to our cart, we're going to add it up and we're going to see how much it costs to get our cotton candy business up and running. So you can see our machine is $2.16. So we'll add that. It was $2.16 and I think a couple cents. It's 99. So that is our machine shipped to our house. Now we're going to go to Papa Corn. We're going to see this. We'll just move it over here. So our total here is 136.13. And remember, this is all Canadian dollars. So like this $136, if you're in the US, that's going to be about 90 American. So it is cheaper than what we're like them Canadian dollars. So now we have added up $353. This gets you your main stuff. So your bags, your cones, your flossine. So we're going to need miscellaneous stuff that we haven't accounted for. So you're going to need some sugar. So we'll add a 20-pound bag of sugar, which will be plenty to start. And we'll add that at $15, which might be high, but we'll add it that. You're going to need a table, a folding table, gloves, extension cords to get your machine if you're at a fair or something, or like a market. So we'll add that in at another $200, which again is being high because you can get lots of this used. So we're at $568, and that gets you pretty much everything you need to start a cotton candy business. All right, guys, if you made it this far, you made it to the end of the video. In the next video, we're going to be going over how to use this equipment and how to make money with this cotton candy business. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.